अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई होप एवरीवन इज़ फाइन, हेल्दी एंड स्टेइंग एट होम। और अल्लाह से दुआ है कि इस मुश्किल वक्त में हम सब की मदद करें, हम पर अपनी रहमत फरमाए और हमेशा हमें अपनी हिफाजत में रखे। I'm sure lots of people already know that why this lockdown is really important for us and why it is necessary for us to stay at homes, because lots of awareness programs are already being carried out to raise awareness regarding the seriousness of this issue, regarding the spreading of this virus. But still there are some people who are unable to understand why it is important for them to stay at home, why it is necessary to maintain social distance. लोग इस चीज़ की शिकायत कर रहे हैं कि this lockdown has affected their business, jobs, daily life, studies, and I agree with this. This lockdown has affected us all in different ways. बट हम यहाँ पर एक ये चीज़ बोल रहे हैं कि ज़िंदगी है तो सब कुछ है. So if you're stepping out of your house for some unnecessary purpose and if you contract this virus, when you will come back home, you will transfer this virus to your all family members, because आपको पता ही नहीं है that you are carrying this virus. as उसके symptoms जो है 1 से 2 हफ्ते के बाद नज़र आना शुरू होते हैं. So by staying at home, you are actually protecting yourself and your family as well. Now the question arises how to get benefit out of this lockdown period, क्योंकि अगर इसके disadvantages हैं तो इसके फ़ायदे भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. The most important thing right now is to take care of your physical being as well as your mental being, and for that you can do lots of things. So what I do and what you also can do to convert this depressing time period into memorable time, into a quality good time, top of the list comes spend time with your family. This is the most important thing which we crave for when we are busy with our daily schedules. Involve yourself in different activities, cook meals together, clean your house, watch there are lots of stuff on internet and TV which you can watch with your family. इसके अलावा what you can do is नमाज और कुरान की तरफ आए, अल्लाह से दुआ करें कि ये सिचुएशन जल्द से जल्द हल हो जाए और हम अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ की तरफ वापस आ सकें और जो भी लोग इस वायरस से मुतासर हुए हैं वो जल्द से जल्द सेहतयाब हो जाए. Another thing which we can do is to work on your hobbies, because ये एक वाहिद ऐसी चीज़ है जिसके लिए हमारे पास कभी टाइम नहीं होता. हम इतने बिज़ी होते हैं अपने डेली स्केड्यूल में, डेली लाइफ में, कि इसके लिए टाइम निकालना इट्स सो डिफ़िकल्ट. बट नाउ यू हैव ऑल द टाइम इन द वर्ल्ड. The last and I think the most important thing you can do during this lockdown period is look after yourself. जब आप अपनी स्टडीज़ में, जॉब में और डेली लाइफ में बिज़ी रहते हैं तो you neglect yourself the most. But now is the time to take care of yourself, and you can do this in lots of ways. You can eat healthy, you can do home workouts. This will help you to stay anxiety free, depression free. So इसका फ़ायदा ये होगा कि when this time period will end, you can actually say that you gained benefit out of this rather than wasting this time. So I hope this video was really helpful and the tips was useful for everybody who's watching. Stay safe, stay at home. Allah.